Here's the question for you. Which is the most active muscle in our body? Any guess? Yes, it is cardiac muscle. What do you mean by cardiac? Cardiac means heart. Okay, we are going to talk about this cardiac muscle. So the organ heart, we know it's made up of cardiac muscle. So heart pumps the blood and it pumps constantly throughout your life, right from your birth up till your death. It's been continuously working. So with lot of pressure, even when you're asleep, the heart is still pumping the blood without even your knowledge or your permission is required for this, right? They are carried in a specialized tube-like structures that are interconnected with almost all the organs. Cells of the body are known as blood vessels through rhythmic contraction relaxation. Now, how many minutes does it beat? 100,000 times a day. And where is it present? You know, it is present in the center of the chest, right? It looks slightly conical and it is the size about a fist. Cardio means we know it is heart. Vascular means a specialized transport system. What exactly it is transporting? It is transporting nutrients and oxygen through which medium? It is a liquid medium. So we know blood liquid connective tissue that helps in transport of substance in and out of the body. Now, what is the other function of this transport system? So it also collects waste from the body. Now, apart from providing nutrients, it's going to nourish and help the body to fight against diseases. All these materials, all these hormones, nutrients are necessary to be transported. Why? To maintain the homeostasis of the body, to maintain the balance and the stability of the body. So, the human transport system basically comprises of the blood, the heart, the blood vessels and lymph vessels. Now you have studied about the blood in previous videos. Now let's talk about what are the blood vessels that make up the heart. Are arteries and veins. So this is the heart which is situated in the center of the chest, slightly towards your left. These are the arteries which are red in color, veins blue in color. Arteries are those blood vessels that take blood away from the heart. Okay, veins, they bring blood back to the heart. So arteries and veins, they meet at a point where the exchange of nutrient and gases occur, and these are known as capillaries. There is a type what we call as closed type of system. Blood is flown in the specialized blood vessels. You know what happens when the blood is forced through this blood vessels? A pressure is created on the walls of arteries which take the blood away from the heart, right? And this pressure is known as blood pressure. So what is the normal range for this? It is 120 by 80 millimeter mercury. Okay, any pressure above that is high BP or hypertension. Any pressure below this or low BP or low blood pressure. Okay. So if it is a high BP, it may lead to the fatal disease including cardiovascular diseases. Now let us see specifically what are these two blood vessels. So here you can see these are arteries which are red color. These are veins. So when you compare arteries and veins, we see that they meet at a point, and these are known as capillary, which have very thin cell wall, just one cell thick wall they have where exchange of nutrient and gases occur. When you compare artery, these are highly elastic, thick membraned, very small lumen is present, elastic in nature. They can easily contract and relax. These are having large lumen. They don't have elastic surface, but they have valves that help in flow of blood only in one direction. These are the valves which are present in veins. Arteries carry pure blood, veins carry impure blood. So except pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs and pulmonary vein which carry oxygenated blood Rest all the arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins in general carry deoxygenated blood.